If you want to learn ethical hacking and Linux on your Android phone, first step is installing Termux in the right way. So, hello everyone, I am Sharik from Zero to Sharik in my YouTube channel and my Instagram account and my favorite page also. In this video, I will show you how to install Termux safely and correctly in your 2 minutes. First, don't install to outdated version from the Play Store. If it is still available in your region, instead downloading the latest official release from the Termux GitHub page or your Android. In this video, I will show you how can I download in this Termux latest application. So we need to download the first of Android. Click on the Chrome browser and hit this command, hit this URL on the Android. Click on the first link, okay, and click on the download. Basically I have already downloaded and installed again, so let me show you. Yeah, it is already downloaded, and after downloading we can open the update software. Once this is a uploaded downloaded, tap to allow notification and source or not task for the permissions and this application. After the installing completed, click on the search bar and hit on the Termux, or click on the search icon. Okay, the Termux terminal emulator was packaged in this selected and need to install. Okay, this is some unknown settings. We know to allow this. Okay, aware of the click on the OK. Need to install. You can wait. More detail. Install anyway. Confirm your password on your screen. This is installed. Open the app of the updates. This is installed. Click on the open. This is the first interface of your Termux application. And after the application, once your application is downloaded, tap to the allow installing and this from the device source. If you are asking the permissions, then open the app in the install completed. And the second thing is we need to update packages, which time take to 45 to 70 seconds only. So hit the command of pkg means package, update update update. And if you can allow any time of that, and we can add the offer once again, we won't be required to that. So you can install a one by one node and install no anything. There is the end button and end, and you need to pkg upgrade. You need to why after the means is you need to update your latest version on here. So you need to click y and hit the enter. It means now you can check it's running of the updating the all packages on here. You can wait for 30 second to 40 second only. It is a 56%, 70, 86, 89 or 3. Okay, it is a completely 73 update is for newly installed. It's depend on your internet connection. It is 1 minute or 2 minutes are remaining. Don't worry. First, you need to check of the internet connection, but it's showing of 1 hour plus timing. So don't worry. And it's only 2 to 3 minutes over the updating and updating the all patches. It is almost 41%. It's 43, 44. It is almost done. I think my internet connection is slow, so you need to full connectivity of the internet for the best, better experience. Don't worry, you don't need to learn Linux, so you need to laptop. Okay, you can use and you can learn every full Linux on your mobile phone. You need to be enable. Okay, check the open SSL version. So we the default new. You need to click yes. You need to correct version. So I don't need to correct version. So default is no. And because I need a updated latest updated version, so I can press the Y. If you need a old version of SSL, so you can need a rest of N. Mostly of 50 to 70% hacking, you can use any Termux application. So this is the message of new section execute current version. So I need to know again now. Yes, our all packages are updated. So that's your Termux application is setup is ready. In this video, you will install a Linux environment and start learning cybersecurity in the right way. Follow Zero Day Sharik for practice ethical hacking and cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks.